Assalamu alaikum, everyone. This is a special PSL show, Googly Shugly, and this is Maho, and with me is my co-host Ayman. Hello. So we will be analyzing PSL in a way that no one asked for, but we really want you guys to hear us. And we're already done with the PSL ceremony, Ayman, and the first match as well. So let's quickly wrap it up, starting off with the anthems. So, what do you think about Zalmi anthem?
I mean, Zalmi to like up their game, na. Like Zalmi thinks they're in another league altogether. Matlab, wo, like, yeah, they're like producing international level content.
Yeah.
Everyone looks great.
Yeah.
In that video, by
yeah.
Like, I did not think I will ever at any point watch a Pakistani player with his six-pack abs like sink into an ice bath.
Yeah, exactly.
But yeah. It was cute of them to include Imam throwing punches in the midst of like Wahab Riaz very masculinely running and like CrossFit bro Shoaib Malik hustling it out.
Yes, and even Kami Bhai looked very hot in whatever he was doing.
So Zalmi is just another league altogether with like the music they're producing and the content they're producing, just like their kits, their entire vibe. Matlab, good stuff on Zalmi.
Good stuff.
How did you find Lahore Qalandars?
That's a different league. That is a different league. हाँ, वो ऐसी लीग है जहाँ आप कोई भी नहीं पहुँच सकता. मतलब first of all, when I heard the song, I was like, is it really Bol Qalandar and not LOL Qalandar? Because LOL ही मेरे दिमाग में बचे जा रहा था कि are you guys sure? And by the end of it, that LOL and Bol all mixed up, and I was like, La hawla wala quwwata, do not do this to us every year with such an obnoxious track. It's really bad.
I appreciate when a franchise like makes a swing. Okay, so like I mean, at least you're attempting something. You're making a swing. Like you're either like really good or like you're really bad, but you attempted to do something. It went ridiculous. Yeah. So क्या कहते हैं? Yeah, like Magar. Like do you know what Karachi Kings produce?
Oh my God! I don't want to talk about it.
Can you name the song? Can you name the song? Do you think there is a song Karachi? Can you tell me the name of that song?
The only line I remember from that song is "Ye hai Karachi." It's like "Hello, Bhado Karachi."
Yeah. So I don't know what the name of that song is. I don't know when it was released. I don't know if that song was even released this year or is this like the past year's song that I just did not know. I don't know if there was a song released last year.
Yeah.
There was Karachi Kings laga ke wings. Which alhamdulillah was the
Karachi Kings. It's not उनकी आवाज गायब नहीं हुई है. It's just the reaction, which is there. Yes, speechless. Yes. Quickly moving to the PSL ceremony, opening ceremony. It was very difficult for me to look at the screen, and I was like, मैं देख की रही हूँ. What is this? Where should I focus? What are these colors? और मैं यहाँ क्या कर रही हूँ?
I mean, look, listen. If you get Atif to sing Aadat after 7 bajillion years of it releasing, I don't even remember when that was.
It's a dinosaur.
If you're getting Atif to sing Aadat, then what is the point? I can't hear it.
और उसके बाद वैसे इमरान खान को सुन के मुझे अच्छा लगा. प्लीज डू नॉट कंफ्यूज इट विद द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ पाकिस्तान. मैं उनका बिल्कुल भी जिक्र नहीं करती. लेकिन इमरान खान जैसे
बॉलीवुड हीरो.
Yeah, exactly. Or the Bollywood hero. In सबको हमसे परे रखिए. So Imran Khan was fabulous.
Yeah. Imran Khan.
वो भी तो है. वो किधर गया? We'll come back to that.
If you have seen Imran Khan Jr. around, give us a call. Is he okay?
Give us a call.
How is he doing in life?
How is he doing in life? Yeah. So okay. Imran was as usual. I really loved having Nasibo on the stage, and she was so excited. And I'm a big ki stage presence. Ala, बहुत फिट, खूबसूरत, बहुत.
Who is Aima Bake's designer? Also give me a call. I can't afford
Yeah,
you,
yeah.
but like give me a call.
We need to talk.
Because you know,
Yeah, it was just as good as it could be. मतलब as तो ज़्यादा कुछ ही कर सकते हो with Corona around and everything. So I guess yes, हाँ, yes. Sorry, मुझे remind करा दिया. मैंने point नहीं लिखा हुआ था अपनी इस डायरी में. What on earth was that?
why didn't you guys take young friends to Turkey? I'm so sad.
Yeah, exactly. It was a grand opportunity for the boys.
ऐसा possible है वैसे. They might have not gone because of like their own goal, whatever. Like I am not saying PCB did not take them purposely. Why were youngsters not in?
Anyway, acha. So this was the PSL ceremony, which took around like 15 to 20 minutes. It was okay. And after that,
I mean, of course, you're not counting as Sanmani is speaking. Which also
well, I
20 minutes.
kind of slept through that. I don't even remember him, and it was another chance for me to memorize his face, and I couldn't because I slept. So
Yes, talk about this age-old riwayat जहाँ पे बुड्ढे uncle come and speak, and no one listens to them at any ceremony.
no one exactly. I mean, you're
Any
not
ceremony.
making things interesting for anyone.
Yeah. Just 5 minutes बोलो जाओ. Like why are you here?
Yeah,
You know.
yeah.
I mean, we love you. Thank you for what you do. But
We
like,
love you. Yes, you have done.
we didn't want to hear you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway,
So-
okay. So the first match was just a one-sided thing. I mean, we wish we had something more to say about the match itself. क्योंकि एमन तो शायद सोच चुकी थी बीच में, है ना?
I don't think I will say this out loud.
Yeah, I mean, Karachi Kings.
So where I'm supposed to review matches, but guys.
Yeah, it was a really boring match, and the kind of team that played from Queta's side was something unexpected because they had better people, better players.
I want to ask.
Huh.
Sarfaraz, you also give us a call, okay? Like, wait.
Yes. How did you lose so much weight?
A, that. Very good. ये तो मुझे भी
Yeah.
जानना है, because you know,
Huh.
anyways.
Yeah.
B, sir, good sir. For years, we kept telling you to open the match for Pakistan.
Yeah.
And you were like, no.
No.
Quetta
And then one day, exactly. And then one day, मतलब कल वो जी ओपनिंग के लिए आए और मैं परेशान शक्ल देख रही के what? Still, it was a question. By the way, a lot of people were discussing it. Why
Yeah.
did he come out to bat as an opener?
Yeah.
A lot of people
Yeah.
talked about it.
Right.
And I don't know the struggle with Gale. Another disappointment. He continued to disappoint us. Like उनके पास
Yes,
दो
Gale?
matches हैं. हाँ Gale था ना.
Then if anyone is holding out hope for Gale after 6 seasons of him not doing anything, just like that is your fault. That is you running back to an abusive boyfriend over and over again while your friends are telling you उसने नहीं बदलना. And you're just thinking नहीं मैं उसको बदल दूंगी. Like वो light bulb नहीं है, वो नहीं बदलेगा.
यार इतनी पावरफुल ट्वीट
Stop
भी
running
की
back.
थी. उसे ट्वीट इतनी पावरफुल ट्वीट भी की थी कि मैं जो हूँ इन 2 मैचेस में भी आपका मजा दोबाला कर दूंगा. तो बंदे को उम्मीदें लग जाती हैं. Sorry man, if I want to be hopeful about him. Yeah, so like Hassan was good. He's a good bowler,
Hassan
and we
was
should
good,
introduce
yes.
him to the national side. And Arshad is our
national side पे.
करो, मुझे क्या पता. ये मेरे मसले नहीं है. मेरा मसला ये है कि मैं यहाँ पे एनालाइज करके भी सोने चली जाऊँ.
Yeah, तो Hassan को national side में introduce हो जाके छक्के खा लेता है national side में. Anyway.
यार यही बात है, लेकिन वो इतना क्यूट है, मुझे उस पर इतना प्यार आ रहा होता है ना. मैं कहती हूँ माँ सबके जाए, बेटा आप भी आओ ना जरा खेलो. मतलब नसीम कर सकते हो, व्हाई नॉट हिम.
बाबर का एक शॉट that six,
Yes.
which was also in this Islamic Republic of Pakistan.
I think there should be a parental guidance when it comes to Babar Azam's innings, because the kind of hormonal disbalance I experience when I'm watching him play ना, तो उस पे PG-18 लगना चाहिए. Anyway, so yeah, so the match one-sided था. Karachi Kings played really very convincingly.
Which
It was
is
great
so
to see.
weird. Watching Karachi Kings dominate Quetta, it's like
Absolutely, yeah. I mean, ऐसे भी दिन आने थे.
इतना confidence किसने दिया इनको?
इतना कॉन्फिडेंस, आपका ये कॉन्फिडेंस हम डबल करेंगे व्हेन यू गाइस विल प्ले अगेंस्ट लाहौर कलंदर। पता लगूगा तब देखना, एक आपके बैट्समैन को हम विकेट देना शुरू कर देंगे जो हमारी टीम है। करेंगे तू ले लिया, तेरा करियर लॉन्च करते हैं।
honestly Salman Iqbal is so condescending to Rana Saab whenever Karachi wins against Lahore that I feel like, you know, like I feel like a bully.
Yeah. You
like when you win someone and you really like rub it in the face of the person who loses, and you're just like, man, that's not nice, that's not classy. Like,
yeah.
Salman, team page to the team.
I was waiting for this. मैं OLX पे पेज बना रही हूँ, but I hope कि कराची इसी तरह competitive रहे। अभी मैं लाहौर का मैच देख रही थी। I don't want to talk about it because I will jinx it because मैं बहुत मनूस हूँ।
But I guess शाहीन पे नजर पटिका because उसकी टांगे टूटने वाली हैं। I
love him.
Please give him a rest. Like please give him a rest. इससे पहले कि उसकी कंधे कमर टांगे टूटे, please give him a rest.
I know. He's too young for these injuries. Yeah.
Ticon Shaheen काफी explosive start to Lahore's campaign.
Yeah, so let's see how they perform, and we will review this match and other matches in the next episode whenever it is.
But it's Peshawar, so matlab I won't be surprised if Lahore is like after doing what they did.
Well, yeah, my second favorite team is Zalmi, so I don't mind losing.
Everyone's second favorite team is Zalmi after that song you are saying.
Own it. They literally.
What a loss, Islamabad. You guys came in as like content kings when this started.
They didn't make a song. I made this prediction to this guy. मैंने कहा वो लोग ना नहीं बनाएंगे गाना, जब सारे बनाने लग जाते हैं वो कहते हैं हमने नहीं बनाना। बस।
Yeah, Islamabad, yaar, up your game with content. What are you doing? Like give us some, give Zalmi like some competition. मतलब I can't expect anything from my team.
Exactly. Where is the Multan Sultan mascot Baja? Where is the Babo? नजर नहीं आ रहा है. It was kind of cute, Sain ji.
Yeah.
Where is it?
Multan
There is
Sultan
no. Yeah, they seem pretty dead. Yeah.
You can't have Rizwan as your captain and then not do anything. That is
I know. Such a cutie Rizwan is. But काफी मजेदार dynamics हैं वहाँ पर because we're going to have Shahid Afridi, the senior most player, playing under Rizwan, and the ex-captain of Multan Sultan, Shan Masood as well. So Allah करे इन्हां दे आपस विच फड्डे ना होन, बाकी खैर है। तो और क्या टेंशन तो बड़ी होती है। Anyway, let's wrap it up. I guess we have talked about everything. Yeah. So, okay guys, thank you so much, and do let us know.
That was
or maybe
give us a call. How did
give
you
us
like
a call.
it? Give us a call.
Yeah, did you like it? Do you want us to do something else? We will make sure we don't do that because ना बस इतना टाइम होता है, हम मैचेस के बीच में जो है ना बैठ के करना चाह रहे हैं, so हमें भी थोड़ा हक हासिल है कि हम भी मैच को देखें. But thank you so much guys, and see you next week to discuss other matches and whatever the hell is happening. We bring a very subjective point of view कि हमारे अपने तासुरात क्या हैं, अवाम के तासुरात क्या हैं. So hopefully see you after a week, and आप bye bye करें फिर मैं bye bye करा. Okay guys, enjoy, love you, bye bye. Give us a call and call कर लो वो, अल्लाह दा वास्ता दे.